Yesterday, I posted on my Facebook profile about earning a passive income, and many people responded, and I created a group and all of that. Thanks everyone who signed up and are interested. One of my friends started warning everyone that pyramid schemes are illegal in South Africa. It's designed to eventually fail by its very nature mathematically, and please don't be duped. It's outlawed in South Africa for several years. And she and I had a conversation, and she's sticking by her word that this is an illegal pyramid scheme. And I don't believe it is. I think it's quite safe, and I'm going to show you why. So firstly, there are people that do turn Forex into a scam. They do use the Forex as the black box, and they're actually operating a scam. If you Google Cape Town Pastor Forex scam, you get 199,000 results. That's a story of a Cape Town pastor, Colin Davis, who ran the company called Platinum Forex, and his business turned out to be a scam, a Ponzi scam worth 100 million rands worth of assets he eventually had. This one article in the Daily Voice in June of 2016 says that the Cape Town High Court seized 138 million rands worth of assets from his company, Platinum Forex Group. So there are definitely scams in this, but this business we are working with is not a scam. And why do I say that? Well, firstly, this is a pure referral business. It's just purely a business where you refer people to these brokers. When they trade, you you earn money. So let me go and show you some of my own trading. So this is one of my accounts. This is my trading account with let me go to my my INFX real account. I'll log into it, and you see that I have two trades placed. This particular one has a position size of 0.02. It's currently doing well. I did a sell trade on this one here. I'm expecting the price to go down. There's my take profit level, and my stop loss is up here. So if the price goes up and hits this level, I'll be taken out of the trade in a loss, and if the price goes down and reaches that level, I'll be in profit. And the other one I'm trading on in this particular pair is the pound. And if you look at my pound trade, I also did a sell trade on this one. There's my entry level, the green line. The trade is the price is above my green lines, hence the trade is negative at the moment. Stop loss over there, and there's my take profit level down there. So this is the active way of people actually trading and either making or losing money from this from forex trading. If you go and refer people to these brokers and they trade, you earn a percentage of the spread, and the spread is simply the difference between these two prices. You can see here the bid is 1.05054 and the ask is 1.05077. The difference is what you pay the broker to place the trade, and the broker pays you as the referring party a percentage of that. And another way you can check that you're dealing with ethical companies is to go to the FSB's website, fsb.co.za, and you can search and find that you're dealing with regulated entities by clicking on the search for regulated entities. So one of the companies I work with is Crazy Trade. This is their website. They claim that they're locally regulated with the FSB number of 44816. We can check to make sure. Copy that FSB number. Do an FSB search on the FSB's website. Paste that in here and submit, and you'll see that they are indeed regulated by the FSB with their number, and that's all of their details. And so these companies that we're working with go to extreme lengths to comply with regulation in different countries, because forex trading is quite risky. Most of these companies you'll see, well, FSB disclosure. Let's just look at that PDF form. That just tells you about Okay, well, this just gives you information about the particular. Let me go to another broker, just a random one, avatrade.com, which is another of the partners I deal with. Most of them have, well, you can see most of them are like regulated in many different places. Ava in particular is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland. That's the license number. And if you click on that, you will get information about the regulation in Ireland. They're also regulated in South Africa. Let's just make sure and see what their regulation number is. Blah de blah. Okay, here's Ava Trade. The FSB number 45984. Let's search for that in the FSB's website. Okay, searching for that number, Ava Capital Markets, trading name Ava Trade, authorized details, and they'll give you more details about the company when they were first regulated in November of 2015. So that's just over a year of being regulated. And this particular one is regulated with the Central Bank of Ireland, Ava Trade EU Limited. They've been regulated in Ireland since 2009. So we are definitely working with regulated companies. And the other one that we're working with is this one here is very interesting because they actually have got insurance for traders' capital up to 2.5 million euro. Discover the gold standard in client fund protection, free coverage underwritten by Lloyd's worth 2.5 million, and that's available to all FX Primus clients. And you can see FX Primus is also another one of the brokers that I'm partnering with. Investors' funds are all insured. So we're dealing with regulated companies. We're dealing with companies that make trading as safe as possible, and hopefully they're not going to run away from with your money. Well, they'd be in big trouble with the regulators if they do. It's not that it doesn't happen. Even with these big companies like this here, they do go bankrupt. Most of them have got a risk disclaimer at the bottom. Risk disclaimer: please note that forex trading and trading in other leverage products, leverage just means like borrowing money from the broker to place a trade, involves a significant level of risk and is not suitable for all investors. Trading in financial instruments may result in losses as well as profits, and your losses can be greater than your initial invested capital. Before undertaking any such transaction, you should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and seek independent advice if necessary. So yes, you can. Traders that do trade can lose their money, and many people do. Only about 5% of people who trade forex are actually successful. We are not trading. Well, I am trading personally in my own personal capacity, but really, this business is not about that. This business is about creating content. I've done it online on my website, .com. I also have a Facebook page. I've got a Facebook groups, and I've got LinkedIn and Facebook and Twitter, and well, that's my Facebook, but my own personal profile. This one here is my Facebook page where I post content about trading and trading related information, and this is the information that I give to people to get them interested or to educate them further about trading. So really, essentially, this business is about giving people information about trading, and when they trade, earning a percentage of the commission that the broker charges the trader. So thanks so much for your interest, and also for your skepticism, my Facebook friend. This is not a pyramid scheme, and yeah, mathematically you're not guaranteed to fail. It's up to the individual trader's skill as a trader, but whether they make a profit or loss on the actual trade, you get paid because they pay the broker for each trade they place. So if you're still interested and you're wanting to learn more about how to earn a passive income from trading, then please get in touch. click on the link below and sign up to my mailing list. And I hope to work together with you. Thanks again. Bye.